When we are adding numbers, we are not changing any signs, we're just looking for like terms. So if I look at number 1, there is no like term with 11p to the 4th. 12p is a like term with negative 8p, and negative 10 does not have any like terms. So I would have 11p to the 4th plus 12p minus 8p minus 10. And when I add all that up, I get 11p to the 4th. Remember, we can fill in that 0 if that helps you. Plus 4p minus 10. The next problem, I do have like terms. So I know that 2 is a like term with negative 9. And negative 3x squared is a like term with negative 10x squared. So I will add 2 minus 3x squared and negative 10x squared, negative 9, and add all of that up. So I get negative 7 minus 13x squared, and I'm going to write all my answers in standard form. You do not need to change your signs. All you're doing is combining like terms. If we look at the bottom of this page, it gives me a longer problem. So let's go ahead and do number 6. So negative 9r is a like term with negative r. Negative 7r cubed is a like term with 9r cubed. Negative 11r squared, a like term with negative 8r squared. And 12r to the 4th, a like term with 8r to the 4th. And so if I write this out with my like terms, negative 9r, negative 1r, negative 7r cubed, 9r cubed, negative 11r squared, negative 8r squared, and 12r to the 4th, and 8r to the 4th. Add that up, negative 10r plus 2r cubed minus 19r squared plus 20r to the 4th. I'm going to write my answer out in standard form. And then that answer is what I'm using down below. So I'm taking that 20r to the 4th plus 2r cubed minus 19r squared minus 10r. My degree here is the biggest exponent, so my degree is 4. My leading coefficient is the number in front of x, and that number is going to be 20. And then the type comes from the degree, and that's going to be quartic. And that is from your 5.1 notes. And you will have a question like this for each problem: subtraction, multiplication, and division. But all you're doing is talking about those parts, and you're just taking your answer from the problem before.